In today's video, I am going to teach you how to blend images in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. To explore blend modes, place two visuals on your canvas. This can be two images or an image on top of a solid colored shape. Arrange them so the image you want to stylize sits on top. It helps to position and size them first so you can clearly see how the effect changes your composition. Make sure that top layer is selected. If you are not seeing the right element, respond. Double-check your selection in the Layers panel. With the top layer selected, look to the right-hand panel. In the Appearance area, find the Blend mode, control the water drop icon and open the drop-down. Choose a blending mode like Multiply, Screen, or Overlay to change how the top image interacts with what's beneath it. Multiply is great for darkening and adding richness to shadows. Screen lightens by blending highlights and is perfect for airy looks, and Overlay boosts contrast for punchier, more dynamic results. Right below, adjust the opacity slider to fine. Tune the intensity. Small tweaks here can make a big difference, so move slowly and aim for balance. Remember, this is non-destructive. You can swap modes, nudge opacity, or reorder layers at any time to refine the effect. Next, let's blend an image into the background using layer blur. This is ideal when you want an image to feel soft at the edges, or to sit quietly behind text without pulling too much focus. Select your image, then in the right panel, click Effects and choose Layer Blur. Increase the blur value gradually until the edges start to melt into the background. A light blur keeps detail while easing harsh transitions. A stronger blur can push the image into a soft atmospheric backdrop. If the result feels too strong, reduce the blur or lower the layer's opacity slightly to keep the composition readable and calm. That's it. Thanks for watching.